Hi, I'm Marta, a real estate agent here in Cyprus. Join me for a day in my life, and let's discover the phrasal verbs I use every day. My alarm goes off at 7 a.m. I wake up slowly to the sound of the waves. I get up and feed my cat, Cleo. She always runs over to me as soon as she hears her food bag. I look over my schedule for the day while having coffee. I have to show 2 potential buyers around some properties today. Before viewing, I tidy up the apartment to make sure it looks its best. First impressions count for a lot. The clients show up on time. I try out different selling points to see what works for them. After the viewings, I write up the reports and send them off to the office. In the evening, I love to wind down by walking along the beach. I often run into my neighbors there. Back home, I turn on some music and figure out what to cook for dinner. Sometimes I just order takeaway. Before bed, I look through a book or chat with a friend online. Then I turn off the lights